May pips be upon you. May pips be upon you. Hey, look, check out US30. All right. We have a long uptrend, right? We got a long uptrend going on the daily. All right. That's established. Now let's go to the 4 hour. This is my entry time frame, right? What do we got here? First, we want to see where price is. We broke down. We broke down, came back up. Look at this. Look at this area here. This strong resistance here. We came up, tested that resistance, and came back below the trading range. All right. Now we're back down here. Looks like price is making a double bottom. All right. We are hitting that trend line, which has been respected. All right. And we are giving a rejection wick here. So we're looking for follow up bullish price action, all right, to validate a good long entry. Look at the stochastics. We are in the oversold area. This is a great time to look for a long entry. All right. What I would do is I would look at the price action on the 1 hour. All right. And see if we're getting that follow through. We are. All right. A close above this area. You know, when we break this wick, when we break the wick of the current candle, and that closes in 7 minutes, if we can break the wick of the next candle breaks that wick, I would think that would be a good entry for a long position. Yes, sir. All right, and where would I be targeting? I would be targeting these highs. Yes, I would. This will be a profit target for sure, and we'll probably run into a little situation maybe around here. All right. All right. At this point, once we break this area, all right, which corresponds with this area over here, once we break that area, I would be moving my stop loss to break even. But that's it from me. Give me a like and a subscribe. Just give me a like and subscribe, man. If you want more free content, more free content, all right, more analysis and education, all of this is free. So give me the incentive to keep putting it out by giving me a like and and subscribe. All right. And share with your friends. All right. I will speak to you in the next video. Trade safely